Time now to get to the final trade of the day with the day trader. Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy, joining us now. And Mike, what is your trade today?
I'm looking at a sector I normally don't look at. That's the cannabis sector. And I'm looking at Growgeneration, GRWG. If you look at the chart, it really isn't a whole lot to look at. But what you've seen that over the last 2 weeks, we put in a really, really solid base at that 21 area. What I'm looking for is a breakout to the upside, and that's going to happen if we trade 2162 as your actual trigger for that. 2162 or higher, I'm buying it. So you have a nice stop below that at, let's just say, 21 even, and then you got a lot of room to the upside because this thing's been sitting there. If you like to play around in there, that's a value play in the cannabis sector.
What do you think about the overall market conditions, because there's so much happening this week?
Well, everybody's waiting for two things. It's going to be FOMC that we're still digesting, and then we have, on Friday, we have unemployment. I think that the FOMC is ultimately going to be was a better indicator of what the market is actually looking for, unless we get some sort of weird outlier type of good or bad on the employment area. I would say that if it's really bad, then I think that it probably is bad, because that puts inflation on the forefront. And then we have, the issues with the Fed.
What are you expecting reaction-wise from the stock market?
I would say that if you get any sort of a pullback to a meaningful level, that it's definitely a buy. But trying to guess on these things, I would say that in the short term, kind of who knows, but longer term, meaning like in the next month or two, higher.
Well, this market does not like to go down lately, so thank you very much, Mike Shorr.
Yeah, thanks a lot for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.